What's up, guys? How you doing? Today, me and my dad just went to GameStop and got a Nintendo Switch, the Pokemon edition, and we're gonna unbox it for you guys today. Here's the back of the box, side of the box,
Ooh, fire!
and then the front of the box,
That's fire.
and the bottom, whatever.
Crack that bitch. Let's go.
So, let's get started. Open it from here. Upside down.
Oh, that's fire. That's the back.
Yeah, I think this is the case right here.
Oh, that's a switch.
Yeah, it's the actual switch.
That's the OLED. Let me see the back.
It's the back.
Oh, that's fire. That's fire. That's on there?
Yup.
Oh, you could look. You could feel it. You could feel it. It's like
3D.
like embroidered almost.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fire.
And they got I think it has a little switch. Yup.
Oh yeah.
A little stand.
Yeah. I won't mess with it too much.
Yeah, nah.
Tell you the truth.
So that's that. Put that to the side.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got the Joy-Cons, little controllers.
What's different about them though? Let's crack them out of there. Yeah.
Set this down for you.
What's different? Let me look.
Boom. Here's the front.
Oh yeah.
The back.
Oh yeah.
Back decals.
Oh yeah. Throw them on there. Throw them on there.
Got you.
It was like what, $10 more to get a different one.
Yeah. This is the full thing assembled. Back.
Oh boy. Oh, that's just sweet.
Pretty nice.
Oh, it's there. Yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah.
And then you open this right here.
You get all the.
You got all the cords and stuff.
Wait a minute though. You got the stand for the TV.
This is the cord. Something simple.
Well, that's all for That's a HDMI cord. That's nice. Do HDMI cord.
Yeah.
We go through these in this house. I mean.
Right.
So even good ones, man. You know what I mean?
And then.
So. Okay. You got the controller for the TV. All right. I see you. Wait. Well, hold up. What's this?
These are like the ZR. It's kind of like the bumpers on like a PlayStation controller.
No, I got you. All right.
Yep. And then this is the little handles.
Nice and
put the
shiny.
Joy-Cons in.
We'll see what that looks like in a minute.
Yeah. This is the case where you can connect it to the TV and stuff. Let me get this open.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute, bro.
Has some Pokemon.
It's slick,
guys.
ain't it?
Yeah.
Now this one don't feel embroidered or nothing. That's just slick. What's on the back?
Really smooth. A Pokemon Pokemon ball.
What's this here?
I really don't.
Damn, it's open like that.
Yeah, I guess.
They got a reason for it or something. We'll have to find out, ain't we? Okay, ain't nothing left in here, guys. So here, tell you what, we're gonna throw all this in here. Leave the good stuff out.
Yeah. And
Put this over here.
Put the boxes. And then I got some more stuff in the box here.
What's up?
We bought
Bam! Controller.
Bowser Super Mario controller.
Crack it.
Let me get my knife here.
Uh-oh. Sling blade. I go from the top with it. Oh, okay, I see. I got you. Whoa, I think I see one on the side, homie.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Boom. Other side, good? I think I just been shaped up. Fort Knox style. And wrapped it up. Good. Yeah, good.
Let me just open
Yeah,
this.
cooker.
You see the cord first. You can
Okay.
charge it.
All right, that's right. That's what you get immediately, right?
Yep. And then
You got the Michael Myers out still, bro. Put that over there. It's sharp as hell, bro. Get that over there, type shit.
And then here's the.
Wait a minute.
Here's the.
Ooh, that's fire. What's it feel like though? Nah, it's just slick. It's not like the game system.
Buttons feel nice. They feel pretty good.
It's a controller, right? But
Yeah.
it looks sweet.
Yeah, look, it's pretty nice.
Wait, so it is. It's cordless, but you can plug it in too.
To charge it and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, that's tight, bro.
And
That's tight.
They give you a little menu.
I thought it was just corded. Cause you can buy the cheap ones that are just corded. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So all right, I can go with that.
Put that over there.
Wasn't too expensive. What you know?
No,
we'll look at the end.
Yeah.
We'll see what else you get in there. Go on with it.
So
Crack it.
I did get a little case, a little Yoshi, my man Yoshi, you know.
They didn't have a big selection at GameStop.
No, not really, but I
Yeah.
kind of wanted a case that I knew what the character is. Like I wanted a character that I knew on my case.
Something, yeah.
I didn't want
sweet.
like an unknown game on.
And then it really influenced the controller too. You know what I'm saying?
Right, yeah, because they're both Super
Yeah,
Mario.
yeah.
Let me just open this real quick. I can probably just rip it open.
Put it here and run that like this way. Look, like this and go down.
Oh yeah.
Pull. You got it.
Oh.
I mean, don't normally come towards yourself or no shit like. I wouldn't pull it. Cut that shit.
Yeah.
Go up in the air with it. All right.
So this is the Yoshi case. I'll open it.
It ain't. What's it? Piece of foam maybe in there. Throw that out. Okay. Wait a minute.
I think this is where you can put your
Wait.
little games and stuff.
Oh, that's for the light one. If you got the smaller one, it goes in there. But you know what? Pow! Get up out of there.
Right.
You got the big boy. Let's see how it fits. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Try it out real quick.
I think it goes in like this. Close it up like that.
We gonna find out. I think the controller goes in there.
Boom.
Or not. The controller ain't fitting in there. It ain't no way.
Boom.
This will probably go in there. That'll probably fit. We're gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah.
So all right, let's look here. Let me get this out the way. All right. Well, whatever. We'll get that. Get the Michael Myers out the way, man.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you got to use it. We're not using it for right this second.
All right, now.
That's for the
then-
cover.
I got two more things. I got the game Minecraft, and I got a screen protector that I'm about to put on later.
Yeah, I mean it was sitting right there. It's $15. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I hate putting these on or crazy, like, you know what I'm saying, for phones or whatnot. But this one here actually is the hard one, so it should be pretty easy. And put it on quickly.
Right.
While it's still new, brand new.
So yeah, I got
you got the game, just a starter game, right?
just a game I can play.
You see what's up with it?
Right.
All right, guys. Well, look, let's go to the price. Let's grab the receipt right there.
So yeah, this is the receipt. I'll go over the price.
So what do we got? Where's the game? Where's the system at?
The
It's in here.
system isn't. Yup.
Crack it open.
I'll line everything up.
You got this, and that with a wiffle wall bat.
So,
Rat-a-tat-tat on that ass, bitch.
Open this.
I don't recommend people keep opening that too much.
Yeah.
But if you want to watch like Netflix or something. So, all right, let's get the receipt banging.
So this is everything in line.
All right, put the Michael Myers away. Knife didn't come with it.
All right.
My wife's over there torturing cat. Do you hear him, fellas? No.
All right. So
Cats are being fed.
the Nintendo Switch itself costed $360, brand new
Before tax.
before tax, and then Minecraft cost $30, brand new.
30 bones, new.
The wireless controller right here,
Ah,
it is $22.
22 beans, fellas.
The Yoshi Slim case, it is $15,
15 bones.
and this obviously here it's 15 as well.
15 ducats.
And altogether, with the membership included, because I did get a membership, it cost about $495.
About or it cost?
It cost.
What was the membership?
$495. The membership was, I think it was like
20?
$25 for
Yeah,
a year.
25 bucks.
Yeah.
But you get $10 next week is a sale. So
Yeah.
right now it's 25th of July. Next week, I would assume the beginning of the month, right? August.
Yeah.
She said everything goes on sale, most of the stuff, and you get a $10 coupon immediately
Right.
for buying all this today.
Yeah.
So you get a $10 coupon, and every month you get a $5 coupon. Am I right?
Yeah.
So
I don't think you can use.
no, you can use them both. She said $15. You can use them both. But if you had two $10 coupons,
Yeah,
you
you
couldn't use them.
Yeah. Yep.
So for some reason, if they're different denominations, you can use them. If I'm not mistaken, which I'm pretty sure I'm right.
Yeah, if
I mean,
it's the
we,
same, though.
we bounced around, did a lot of stuff after we left there. So,
Right.
but anyway, guys, wrap it on up. Take a look.
Everything I
And
got.
put that cover. You got just a case here. We're gonna see what fits in there. I'm sure you guys don't care, but got a little starter game. You got your controller. You got your system with sweet designs. And we got, that's for the TV with your HDMI, and you got the bumpers for the controller. Here's your main controller. You can buy steering wheels or whatever you want. You can go crazy and buy the steering wheel where you sit in the car and it's got, you could drive the car. You know what I'm saying? Like Barrymore's or something. And then that's just for the TV. You would dock this inside of here.
You can also charge it like that.
And then you would go on ahead and take these and put them in the controller, and it would go on your TV immediately. And then if you're in the middle of a game, you just go on ahead, put the controllers back on the system, take them off of this controller, put them on a system, and walk out the door with it like that. And you can just continue playing your game. Really, really quick. Take these off, would you, and throw it in there and show them how it would look.
The controller?
Yeah, you just got it. So you're not used to it right now, are you? There you go. Boom, one.
Yeah, there's little buttons on the back.
You want to be careful with it. Boom. Throw it on in the K. Throw it in here.
Yeah.
Straight on.
So boom, fits just like that.
Yeah, it's locked in. Yeah, it did.
Yeah, that's in.
All right.
And then if you want to play, you can just slide these in right here.
Let's see. Turn it over here so we can look.
Boom. And then it's a whole controller now.
Yeah, wait a minute. You can go 2-player, can't you?
Yeah, because I did buy this for another player or for another
Well, you got 3-player going on. You know why? You give one person one controller, another person that controller, and they turn it sideways and they play. Let me see how that works.
You can do that.
Yeah, so you actually can play with three people, right?
Yeah, because these are right here for it. And
it's just a tiny little controller, right?
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you can put this on
the bumper is not. You put it on there so you can carry them around.
Yeah, like
It's made for it.
Yeah, let me see if I can get this.
You see how it slides in? Am I right? Boom. Oh, that's sweet. All right, now take it off. Take it off. You did it a little fast. Let me look at it.
All right. Let me see if I can.
All right, you're struggling. I heard it lock. Do the other one. Do the other one. For now, you're gonna be struggling.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I didn't even figure out how to take that off.
You gotta come over here with it. Chill out.
So
it slides on.
Slides in, just like that. Boom.
Okay. It locks back here. So
I think it's
that one locked.
Oh,
there
that's
you
how
go.
you
just pull on it right there. Push the button.
That's how you lock it. You press it down and then push it up to unlock it and just slide it right out.
All right, cool.
Yep. So
experiment. Well, it goes in the other way. It goes in any way you want, huh?
I guess.
All right. Well, I guess that's that, fellas.
Yeah, that's everything.
This is the Pokemon edition. It did not come with a game. All right, this is just what you see here. Pokemon edition is pretty sweet. Cost, I think she said it's $10 more than the original one.
Yeah,
that was just basic white, basic everything. But I think this is way sweeter. It's worth $10. All right, guys. Peace.